Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Umar Butt, and today in this video I'm gonna show you that how AI creates amazing Pixar-style animation. So get ready to be amazed, and today in this incredible video I will be showcasing the power of artificial intelligence as it creates stunning, beautiful, professional Pixar-style animation. So that will leave you speechless, honestly speaking. So we are gonna use two tools, and one of them is ImageFX. This is by Google. You can see labs.google/fx/tools/ImageFX. So you can sign in here like sign in to start creating images just like this. So you can see just like this. So you can sign in with Google, sign in. And here you can see once it opens, you can sign in with your Gmail account. So here you can see example like photorealistic woman wearing elaborate earrings, frontlet, full body portrait, and so we will type like a group of boys aged 15 to 20 are engaged in a game of cricket on a field, and we can type like Pixar-style animated. So this prompt you can see just I typed, and you can see in the settings you can select this one. So seed is unlocked to give you outputs more variety. So it is unlocked to give you outputs more variety. This is good. If you lock this option, this is locked to create similar outputs. So it's up to you. You can unlock it, and once you're done, we can click on create. It will take few seconds, and sometimes it gives error, so you can retry. So let's see what will happen and see. Let's try again. So see, now this one is here, and we can see like a lot of characters here. A group of boys aged 15 to 20 are engaged in game of cricket, you can see, on a field, and Pixar-style animated. So what we can do, we can download this option. Okay, so this is downloaded. Now this is the work of first tool, ImageFX, and then we can navigate to the next AI tool, that is, you can see Hailuo AI.video. So Hailuo AI.video. So here you can see we can already sign in. So you can sign in with your Google Gmail account or Apple account. So what accounts they offer. So I just signed in with Google, and we can create video, and here drag or paste, click to upload an image, and we will upload the image that we just downloaded from ImageFX Google. From here, that ImageFX Labs Google that we downloaded from here, and you can see now same thing. We will type here same thing, and it's up to you. Insert camera movements if you want, and you can click here quantity 1. Let's see what will happen. So it is optimizing, and content, now content generation in process. So these are the best tools, and free tools. The first one tool is also free. You can use it free to generate images like this, and the second one is also has a free trial option. So you can use that option and you can generate amazing content, Pixar-style animated. So it will create. It is taking few seconds, so you can stay with me. Like 20% is completed. So once it completes, I will show you. Till then, I just request you to subscribe to my channel, because I upload videos, tutorials about AI tools and also about web designing, graphic designing, video editing, digital media marketing, and some other stuff. So you can subscribe for more tips and tricks and more amazing content. And you can also press the bell icon, so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. So this is amazing, honestly speaking, because if you subscribe to my channel, I will be very thankful to you. And it's 50% completed almost, and the content generation in process. So if you want to more fast results, so you can subscribe to enjoy fast track. So subscription, like you can upgrade your plan. But in this video we are gonna discuss about the free tools. So these are the free tools that we can use to generate amazing content. So now you know that AI can create incredibly fabulous and phenomenal, amazing Pixar-style animation videos. So this is perfect and this is amazing. AI is revolutionizing the animation industry, and we are excited to take you on this journey today. So sit back, relax, and see. Get ready to witness the future of animation. See, it's just almost approximately gonna complete, 88% complete. So like this, you can design, you can generate multiple images from ImageFX Labs Google. Then you can bring them here, and one by one you can create amazing Pixar-style animated videos. So this will be so you can see the process has been done, and all boys are trying to catch the ball, and it's going, and this person is trying. See, it's amazing. So Pixar-style animated, AI can create easily these things. So I hope you have learned a lot in this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends, so they can also learn new skills. They can increase their professional skills. Thank you so much once again. And one more thing, sorry, if you want to download it, so you can click here and you can share it from here, and you can download with watermark. So it's amazing that you have downloaded this video and you have generated Pixar-style animated using the AI. Thank you so much once again.